This is a 1960 Super 400 amplifier. In its day, this was the most expensive amplifier on the market. It came with 3 channels because you would usually use it for the whole band. You would buy this instead of 2 different amps. It's volume, bass, treble, and the tone controls are stacked like an old recording board, so it's a peak and shelf. So you're going to have it neutral in the middle and much more affected at the far ends of its range. So when the tone controls are all the way up, it's really high. You're going to bring the tone controls back to bring up the volume. And then with the 3 channels, on your bottom channel, you have a compressor, which some years is a limiter, some years it's a compressor, it's the same thing. You turn on the compressor and you get a ceiling. It's a subtle effect, but it's a tube compressor that's built into the amplifier. It's said that Gibson made these speakers for this amp, and only for this amp. If you look in the back of the amplifier, you're going to see they're covered with a fabric. They're super high output, super fidelity, covered with a fabric by special request of Gibson. They were sick of Fender beating them in the game of amplifiers. This was a no-holds-barred attempt at beating Fender at its game with their Showman. This amplifier is really more of a high-fidelity stereo amplifier than your traditional like Marshall or something like that. It has a really big bass response. It's real warm. Huge transformers, huge speakers. Weighs about 60 pounds. Is a great sounding amp. You can turn the compression on or off. A lot of guys use this compressor for bass. Turn the compressor on, you can use this channel for bass. Use this channel for vocals, use this channel for guitars. There's a guy in town that uses this as his whole PA. It's an awesome little amp, and they're very, very rare because they were insanely expensive in their day. So that's it. Let's turn this up a little bit. Whoops. Would help if I put it in the right channel. Here we go.